Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to write effective SOPs. In this video, I will show you the 7 steps of writing an SOP that makes sense. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin with the end in mind. Define what the end result or the goal is for the SOP you are writing. Step 2. Choose a format. You can use different formats depending on the type and complexity of the process. Step 3. Ask for input. Consult with the stakeholders and creators of the process to ensure that your SOP reflects their needs and expectations. Step 4. Define the scope. Specify what areas or situations the SOP applies to, and what exceptions or limitations may apply. Step 5. Identify your audience. Know who will use the SOP and what level of knowledge and skills they have. Step 6. Write your SOP. Use clear and concise language, follow a logical sequence of steps, and include relevant information such as roles, responsibilities, resources, tools, and standards. Step 7. Review, test, edit, and repeat. Check your SOP for accuracy, completeness, consistency, and compliance. Test your SOP by performing the process yourself or with someone else. Edit your SOP as needed based on feedback and results, and that's it. You have learned how to write an SOP in 7 easy steps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.